Focus. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Continuous focus. Hey guys, this is Andy with CDA Idaho, and I have something to show you this morning that we're pretty stoked about. We put together our very own downtown Coeur d'Alene map. That's right, it's a trifold. It's beautiful. Look at all those colors. And anyways, the reason we did this is because we get people coming to our store from all over the country, all over the world, asking our crew, where do we go get food? Where do we get coffee? And so this will make things a lot easier to be able to reference, to point things out, different locations, and give the customer to take with them. So anyways, we're excited about this opportunity to add more value to our customers' experience at our store. And hopefully this will be helpful to a lot of people. On the inside flap, we have recommendations from our crew, and then we'll be building up kind of an online resource as time goes on with videos on places to eat, things to do, places to get coffee, things like that. So on the back, it's got a coupon code for people to use when they go back home, wherever they're from, about CDA Idaho Clothing Company, things like that. So we're really excited about this. That's it. That is it. That's all I have to say. So thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. If you know someone that could use something like this, send them down to our store, because some people out there in our nation don't have maps. We'll see you later. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful to you, would you please hit the like button, hit subscribe, share this video with your friends, and again, we'll see you later. We made our own map. Buttery. Come on, be buttery. Oh, I gotta adjust the volume. Does this wide angle make my nose look Ugambus? We're super excited to show you something this morning. I say super excited all the time. We're moderately excited. I should have different levels of excitement. Maybe super excited, moderate, somewhat, little excited. We're not very excited. And be able to order something from our website online. So, of course, website online. Duh.